you must realize that your environment isn't separate from your well-being. It's deeply connected to it. Your home can be more than just a place where you sleep, eat, and store your belongings. It can be your sanctuary. It can be a space that recharges you, a space that helps you stay in touch with who you are, a space that helps you find peace away from the outside world. In today's video, we're diving into simple but powerful ways to transform your home into your own personal sanctuary. First, we'll start with the foundation, clearing and decluttering your space. You can't create peace in a space that stresses you out or makes you feel overwhelmed. When your space feels chaotic, you feel chaotic. But building sanctuary isn't about having a spotless and perfect home. This isn't about becoming someone who has it all together all the time. It's about recognizing that the space around you either supports your peace or depletes it. It's about reaching a certain baseline where you can breathe and where the chaos isn't weighing on you constantly. Start with what drains you. Pay attention to the spots in your home that make you feel tense, the cluttered corner, that pile of miscellaneous items that you keep avoiding. Those are your starting points because clearing them creates immediate relief. And every space you reset clears mental space too. This is meant to be a practice and not a project. Daily actions matter more than occasional extreme resets. 10 minutes of attention each day, washing dishes, putting things back where they belong, keeps the overwhelm from building. We are choosing to gradually make this space one that holds us well. After we have our home cleaned and decluttered, now we can create an atmosphere that reminds us that we are safe. We want to create a space that can lift our mood. What we hear, see, and smell shapes how we feel. Setting up our environment to make us feel safe and calm can be as simple as using a diffuser, lighting some candles or incense, turning on warm, soft lights rather than the harsh, bright overhead lights, or playing music that comforts you or lights you up. These things can change your mood instantly. It's all about using sensory cues to remind your brain and body that you are safe to relax. Another great way to build the feeling of sanctuary is to create intentional spaces within your home that are designated for relaxation. This can be a spot in your home where you journal every day, where you like to drink your coffee, a comfy chair with a blanket, or where you place your yoga mat. Think about what truly relaxes you, then set aside the time to create a space in your home just for this activity. When your home has intentional calm zones, your brain will eventually start to associate these areas with feelings of peace and ease. We want to build a space that grounds us. One of the easiest ways to stay grounded is by connecting to nature. We want to let nature into our homes. An easy way to do this is by opening your windows every day to let the fresh air in. We can also do this by keeping houseplants. The earth's elements remind us to slow down and connect with our surroundings and with the present moment. Finally, make your space your own. Surround yourself with your favorite things, favorite artwork, books you love, any collections you might have. Make it a reflection of who you are, because those are the things that bring you joy. What feels like sanctuary will shift over time. Growing and changing is a part of finding peace, so make sure your home reflects who you are today and refresh your space and style as you evolve. Honor what you need in each season. Sanctuary is a feeling that you can build wherever you are. Remember that creating sanctuary is not about perfection, it is about intention. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your environment nurtures you back. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your space, and I'm sending you so much love.